Hi, welcome again to the another series lecture video about the electrical wiring simulator or EWS. Today we're going to perform the fourth activity under the relays. So proceed to the soldering alternating lamps, play, then we're in, then proceed to this circuit or the diagram circuit. So first is I will explain the function or the purpose of this circuit. So we have the 24 volts PB1, PB2, and then the relay, and then we have the PL3, and then PL2, and the 0 volts. So this circuit, the function of this circuit is that uh, if if I press this PB2, the relay will be energized, and then the PL3 will turn on, and then the PL2 will off. Then uh, and then this one, the relay, this one will represent the holding contact. So pag naka-press itong PB2, so hindi na yan siya magbabalik or mag-stay na yan siya na naka-press. So then uh, by the way, take notice, this relay here and here and here will belongs to the single component, which is this relay here, this one. So kasama lang yan sila or isa. Then proceed to uh, explanations. Then uh, what if we want to de-energize? So but if press this PB1 to de-energize this relay here. So this relay will be de-energized, this one, and then the PL3 will turn off, and then the PL2 switch on, or they switch to on the PL2. So this one will turn on and this one will turn off. So that's the energize if I press this uh, PL PL1 or the PB1, I mean PB1. So that's uh, the function of the circuit. So take note again, if we press or this one, the PB2 will press, the R1 will be energized, and the PL3 will turn on, and then the PL2 will off. And then we, if we want to de-energize, press this PB1, then the PL3 will turn off, and then the PL2 will switch to turn on, or to turn on this PL2. Yeah, that is the purpose of the function of the circuit. So again, if we want to uh, if we want to de-energize, or so I mean if PB2 is pressed, the R1 will energize, the PL3 will turn on, and then the PL2 will off. And then if we want to de-energize, we're back to the energized form. PB2 dapat is naka-press, PL1 I mean, PB1 I mean, naka-press, and the R1 will de-energize, and then the PL3 will turn off, and then the PL2 switch to on or turn on. So that's it. That's the purpose of this circuit. So let's proceed to the wireless circuit. So first is we have to connect the 24 volts to the input of the PL1, PB1 I mean. So input of the PL1, sorry, PL1 pala. Connect to the PL1. And then the output of the PB1 to the input of the PB2. So then the output of the 13, I mean output of the PB2 to 13. So this one. And then the 14 or the 0 volts to the 0 volts. So this one. Then click this 14, then to the negative sign or the 0 volts. Then this one is relay here. So click this 1 I9 I mean, then connect to the input of the PB2. This one. Kasi ito sila. Yan. Then this one, the 5 to the PB2 output. So this one, the 5 to the PB2 output. Then so na-connect natin tong first line. So let's proceed to this second line, this one. So 24 volts from the input of the or the 10 to the positive or the input of the PB1. So pwede din natin siya connect sa negative, positive or the 24 volts, pwede din sa input of the PB1. So connect natin 10 to the input of the PB1. And then the 6 to the this one, 6 to the input of the PL3. So 6 to the input of the PL3. And then the output of the PL3 to the 0 volts or the negative sign. And then the 10, so I can take this 10 to the input again, the PB1, this one. Kasi pwede siya din sa 24 volts, pwede din siya sa PB2. Pero we have connect yung PL3 sa or na-connect natin positive. So isa pwede lang, pwede or mas okay ako dito sa input. And then the PL2, I mean the 2 to the input of the PL2. So 2 to the input of the PL2. And then the last one is this output to the 0 volts. So the output of the PL2 to the 0 volts. Or we have to connect this 14 na lang. So 14 kasi connected naman siya sa negative. So 14 na lang tayo. Kasi we have na-connect na natin siya ng kadalawang beses. So just many na. So now we have to submit. Click the submit. So already the score is 11/11. Is pass. Is already pass. So by the way, we have to connect, we have to simulate. So wala pa natin siya simulate. So we have to simulate. So by pressing this PB2, so I will press this PB2, this one, or the push button 2. So I press. So now I press. So as you can see, the relay will energize, and the PL3 will turn on, and the PL2 will off. So then this one, the relay here is the represent the or the holding contact. So pag naka-press yan itong push button 2, so mag-stay yan siya, stay lang. So naka-on or naka-energize itong relay. So paano naman pag de-energize or i-de-energize natin? So click this PB1, this one, to de-energize. So click this one. So as you can see, the relay will de-energize, and then the PL3 will turn off, and they switch to the PL2 to turn on this PL2 here to turn on. They switch to turn on this PL2. So that's it. That's the purpose of this, or this is the for or uh, that's the simulations of the uh, uh, circuit. So I hope you will learn something for this video, and then uh, thank you, and then bye bye.